Hi wonderful people, you are highly welcome back to my channel. My name is Adenike. If this is the first time of you checking on my channel, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for you to be notified each time I upload new video. In this tutorial today, I would like to teach you how to cut and sew beautiful trendy Zahra scarf. These are the material I'm using for the tutorial today. I have doll face satin here, which is not up to 1 yard. And this is called leather board. You can easily get it from shoemaker shop, and in alternative, if you don't have these, or if you cannot get, you can use your waddy, which is also called breast pad, the thicker one, not the soft one. Note. So this is my leather board now. I'm going to turn it like this, and all I need from this leather board now is 18 inches by 3 inches. So I'm going to measure it out for you now. So for you to see the marking, I have to turn it to the wrong side of it. So from this place now, I'm going to measure 3 inches all through. Three inches all through. I'm going to connect it. So that's it. I'm going to measure 18 inches from here, and I have exactly 18 inches here. So I'm going to cut it out now. Now I'm done cutting my leather board out, 18 inches by 3 inches. So I'm putting it aside and move on to my satin fabric. You know, I said my fabric is not up to 1 yard, so I have 28 inches by 46 inches here. You can make use of 25 inches, 48 inches. Depends on how much fabric you have and how you want it. So this one now is 28 inches by 45, 46 inches. So 46 inches is 28 by 46 inches. So here now, I'm going to fold it towards here now. I'm going to fold it into two like this, towards that 46 inches. Here is it. And I'm going to notch the center. Just like this. Notch it like this. Go ahead to your leather board and fold into two, because I'm going to notch it to at the center on both sides. Notch into two. Notch it on both sides of it, just like this. I'm going to spread my satin now on the wrong side of it. This is the wrong side of it, and this is the right side. I'm going to spread it easily like this and place my leather board on it. Let the notching, let it align on each other. Just make sure you leave about ½ inch that you can fold when you want to sew it. So just let it align on each other like this. The notching, as you can see, is aligned on each other, and make sure you fold it like this. Fold this one, fold ½ inch like this, because you are going to stitch that ½ inch. And make sure you don't stitch on the leather board. So you now go ahead to your machine. I'm going to go to my machine now, fold that ½ inch. Just make sure you don't sew on the leather board. So I'm going to fold it like this. Just fold like this and stitch. First of all, secure it on the both side here. Secure it like this with folding here. Make sure you fold it like this. I hope you understand what I'm doing. Fold it like this and stitch. Secure it here. So when I finish that, I'll come and show you the next thing to do. just make sure you fold it like this and secure it here. Now I'm done securing the leather board inside the satin now, so I'll now go ahead and finish this side. I'm going to finish it up by continue stitching it till I reach the edge here. I'm going to do the same thing on the second side of it. Just fold it like this and finish it up till I reach the second edge here. So when I finish with that, I'll now hem all the necessary area, all the edges. I'm going to hem it. So I'll now come and show you the finishing look of it and show you how to tie it on your head. So let me go and quickly do all the necessary things on it. Now I'm done with the stitching all through. As you can see, finished doing it. So to make it more beautiful, you can add anything of your desire to it. Here is it. You can add this type. I've forgotten what they used to call it. You can just tack it, design it with anything. It's your choice. You can even use your paper stone to design it, or anything. You can use anything of your desire to design it at the front here. So I'm going to show you how to, I'm going to give it nice ironing and show you how to tie it to your head. So guys, if you find my tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to support my channel. If you have any question pertaining to cutting and sewing, you can join me on my Facebook group, Details to Sewing, created by Akorede Adenike. I'm on Instagram and Twitter at Akorede Adenike. Till I see you in my next video, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye. So now let me show you how you can easily tie it on your head. So this is the right side now. You just fold it like this. Fold it, and you now hold it like this. Just hold it like this and place this place on your head just like this. So you just place it like this and tie it just like this. As you can see, so tie it as you want. As you can see, it's very nice and beautiful. So that's just it for the trendy Zahra scarf. So go ahead and make your own. You can post it to me on my Facebook. Let me see how you make your own. So that's just it. Thanks. Bye.